Hello everyone. This video is going to demonstrate how to download the ebook version of Abraham's Battle and then how to use books on your iPad to explore all the features of the ebook. So to begin, we are looking at our Schoology page in the instruction page on day 1. The directions instruct us to download the Abraham's ebook. If I'm using a computer or if I have Schoology open on a web browser, the file will appear down at the bottom below this mark here. You will see the actual file. If you're using an iPad like I have here, the file will appear at the top where it says View Attachments. If I click on View Attachments, now you can see it says Abraham's Battle EPUB. I'm going to want to click on that to download the actual ebook. Now this may take a little bit of time. If you look, it's actually 77 megabytes. This includes all the text, all the photos, and the video that is embedded in this ebook. So it could take a little bit of time. You might want to start it and then go get a snack or take a break and let the book download. Now, once the item has finished downloading, you will get this message saying that it is unable to view the file. Don't worry, this is okay. When this happens, you're going to want to go up top to this arrow and open up the file in something else. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to scroll through my options, and I'm going to need to select More. And when I click that, I will get the option to copy to books. When I click Copy to Books, it will then take this download and put it in books for me so that it'll be easy for me to view it. When I do that, it'll automatically open up books and automatically put my Abraham's Battle novel there. Now that it's here, all I do is click on it to open it up. Now the first thing you should know is if you are using this on an iPad, it works just like a normal novel. If I want to turn the page, I take my finger and swipe over. One way, if I need to go backwards, I take my finger and swipe back the other way. Now, if you're on a computer, you can use that you can maneuver through the book by either clicking on the arrows that will appear either on the right-hand side or the left-hand side of the book, or you can actually use the arrows on your keyboard to move through them. Another nice feature about this ebook is the table of contents. Normally a table of contents, you look at it and then you know what page to turn to. This table of contents actually has links. So if I want to go to chapter 7, if I click on chapter 7, it will actually take me to that chapter, which is very nice. I can also tap when I'm to a page. If I tap anywhere on the book, it'll bring up other features that are available there for me. Now the first feature is the bookmark feature, which would be up here. If I click that, the bookmark becomes red and it'll actually save where I am, which is a great feature to use. The second feature is the magnifying glass here. If I click on that, I can search for a word or a page number it can help me in looking for answers. The third feature here is the brightness, if you want to make your screen brighter or darker. Down at the bottom, I can actually scroll through all of the pages, and I can look through the pages, get previews, and try to find the page or the chapter. For example, there's chapter 5 that I want, and I'm doing it by just taking my finger and dragging it across these at the bottom. The last set of features that you can get to by tapping on it is this button up here, and it brings you to the table of contents. Now, once again, this table of contents is a live link, so I can click around. I can go to chapter 2, or I can go to any of the chapters in the table of contents. I can also switch here from the table of contents to my bookmark pages. And here I bookmarked chapter 4 previously, so it brings that up for me. And then the last view would be this view where I can click and see all of the pages and scroll through all of the pages that way. And there you'll see my bookmark for chapter 4 and then my bookmark for chapter 7, which isn't showing up yet because I just made it. And so those would be all of the features that you can get by tapping. There are a few in-text features that this ebook provides. And the first one occurs in chapter 2. So I'm going to click on that page, and in chapter 2 you will see that there is a brief video that is embedded in here, and if you want to watch the video, just tap on that button and you'll be able to watch. It's a 10-minute video on the life of slaves. Another option, or another in-text feature rather, is there are some image galleries, and you'll see that it's an image gallery by these dots underneath the image gallery, and that'll let you know that there's more than one picture there. And to navigate through this, I simply take my finger on the picture and slide it, and it'll show me the different pictures, and you'll notice that when the picture changes, so does this caption below it. Now, if I'd like to get out of iBooks, what I can do is I can tap on the page to bring up my menu, and I can use this arrow right here, and that'll take me out to my books, my iBooks. We are currently in the library, which is what I would recommend when you open iBooks. But if you would like to get back to your book, you're going to need to find your Books app on your iPad. And when you open that up, it usually, I believe, will open you up in the Reading Now. I think it's easier just to go to your library, which is the second button over, and then you'll see the books that you have downloaded, and you can click on Abraham's Battle and get to wherever you need to be by using the table of contents, or any of the other features. So good luck reading.